Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the more connections. After that, click here to NFC section, and to activate NFC and to use it you should use the switcher, so just click here once to activate it. To turn it off you should click here once again. If you want to switch the default app just of the your wallet, so you can use HUAWEI wallet or the SIM cards. Also, if you want always use default app, you can make it here. So just if you want to use NFC from by another way, just if you want to activate it from the notification panel, for example, you can do that. Just open it first, click here to the added switches, and after that somewhere here you should find in this down invisible section the NFC icon. Just hold this icon and drag it. Hold the icon and drag this icon here to the subsection, then click here to done, and now we can use this icon by this way. Just to activate it, click once. To turn it off, click here once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.